I will have the top of your head! Go!
She's a boss. She gives you the I do what I want look.
You dumbass!
When your friend shows off his bucket list skills. Nay, nay, bro. Balloon 1, pup 0. Better luck next time, doggo adventurer. Yeesh, he's probably slower than a sloth, as if he's auditioning for a Bollywood movie. This raccoon moonlights as pool staff. He can fix all the leaks away. Real footage of me and my bro fighting, cause sibling rivalry is real. When ducks make a grand entrance on the red carpet, it's quacktastic. No doubt that this boy's laughing like he just got the best haircut in the world.
Don't do it again! Don't do it again, Tony.
Baby donkey standing, contemplating life, then deciding it's petting time. No petting, no moving. Welcome to our quacktail, where the ducks will get tipsy. What it's like having a baby in the house. Chaotic, unpredictable, but lovable. He's a snack ninja. All he wants is that coveted yogurt. Yum yum. This kitty is a true lady when it comes to tea time. Lady, pinky up.
You gotta do it again.
Why are you pulling up your paw?
Drink water.
Two types of cats in the world. The one that waits and this. These dolphins are true entertainers. Look at the way they steal our hearts. There's no room for a slow eater in this house. Chop chop. This is Tarzan in his natural behavior. Woo! One swing at a time.
Come here. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Mochi. It's okay. No, Smokey won't fly away. Come here. Mochi, come here. Come here. Good boy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
When your raccoon surprises you with actual assistance. When you're as clean as a new shirt, but your friend's teasing about your smell. Nupakachi!
Look, he's not here. Let's just get back to the parties.
Oh, I gotta stop calling him across the street. It'll take a second, I just need change for my squares.
Funny, you're so focused when it's your passion project.
You know what, Manny? You're right.
In the world of feathers, this unique parrot is definitely a fashion icon.
You can take a small bite, just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
The water's coming, and guess who flees away? Birdie! Don't run, it's time to bathe! Well, they really take public display of affection to a whole new level, right?
Gwen, what are you doing? Can you...
Oh my god. Ew. Ew. Ah! Ew! What is that? Go! Get out of here.
Kitty in the snow? Who could spot the differences? Tell me your dog is a culinary critic without telling me he is. Sports news. Our feathered star has made the toss in history. Does anyone want his signature?
You feed them, you raise them, you send them.
Move over, guys, because true freedom comes with a portable fence.
Thanks. Come on, break.
Behold, our new sheep walker, stealing the spotlight of the woolly runway.
Hey there, what's your name? Maybe want to be my buddy? I would love to be your buddy. Want to be mine?
This joyful sheep is me jumping into my payday. Hooray!
No, hermano, no comas esas croquetas viejas. Mira, mejor Hacemos que no comemos. Nuestros patitos se preocupan y nos dan pollito. Siempre funciona. Hazlo.
Thanks for joining us on this laughter-filled adventure with our animal comedians. Don't forget to subscribe for more hilarious antics from the world of funny animals.